What's up, guys? This is Auto Alarm Specialist. We got another treat for you. This is on our Ram TRX. We went up and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. For those who are in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead area, Pepper Pine, North Miami, give us a call and we come out to you, and then we can add this shock sensor to the factory alarm system. And the way it works is somebody walks up, and before we added the shock sensor, you can pretty much break this window, bust out the keyhole, nothing will happen. After me adding the shock sensor, that will set off the factory alarm. You know, it's a nice clean way to keep everything simple. You don't have to carry another fob around. Everything incorporates to the factory alarm system. If you guys are interested in adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm, give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.